Hello guys, welcome to another Coded 5 videos. Before we begin, you have to subscribe, click the bell icon, and in this video we are going to I'm going to start with you a course in front-end web development, beginner front-end web development course. The course in HTML5 and CSS3. The course will introduce you to HTML5, the language used to create web pages. HTML5, the language used to create web pages on the internet. In CSS3, cascading style sheet, as the name implies, used to start the web page or the HTML. The purpose of this course is to educate you on the basics of HTML5 and CSS3 and the skills necessary in web design. Whether you are designing a website for a small business or learning to use WordPress or anything web, you need to have a solid foundation in HTML and CSS. Okay, we'll begin this course by discussing the basic components and structure of HTML, as well as learning the terminologies. Then we'll advance through topics to cover CSS, forms, and adding media such as videos and audio files to the site. And also we will be doing much basic beginner things. So if you are a beginner, this tutorials will be best for you and you enjoy it watching it. So stick to this channel, subscribe for more videos. So these are some of the things to expect in this video. You have install an IDE. I will take you through all the procedures to install IDE. So if you are a complete beginner, you don't have to worry about this. Installing plugins, the best plugin for the IDEs. Then you have understanding HTML, basic HTML5. Then we have understanding CSS3 and basic CSS3. It will take you through all the basics of HTML5 and CSS3 as a beginner level. And also, let me forget, this course is organized in such a way that it's for people who are doing self-learning program, like someone who is learning to program by himself. Maybe you are not going to school, or you are not taking any course online, or you don't have any material to read. Or this course is for you, because we are going to explain some of the things in details. I'm going to be giving you all the necessary and the basic fundamentals of what HTML and CSS that will enable you to take on to advanced level. So stick to this channel, subscribe, like the video, share, and come for more videos. And we'll be doing this series within this period of time. I'll be releasing videos on HTML. We'll start with HTML, and you know everything about HTML. Then after that we'll go to CSS. We learn all the fundamentals. After the course, we'll create a website, a full HTML and CSS based website, so that you'll be equipped with what you have learned. Also, there will be a few exercises for you to learn, to practice on while you are learning. So thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Peace.